Okay, so for today, I just thought I would show you a trick that I've been using since the start that I think is very helpful and makes it everything easier to find your folders. And when you download things, to find the correct folder to add those files so you can find them easier in Clo. So what that trick is just having your assets folder in Clo folder overall pinned on your search on your bar here, and that way you can download something, and then from the download folder you can put them straight on your assets folder, and from here it's just a lot easier to find in Clo. So I'm just going to teach you how to find this folder and obviously how to pin it to your history there on your documents. You come on your Clo as normal, and then on library you're just going to click on any of these here with the right button, and you're going to copy the path, okay? And then back on your documents, anywhere really on your documents, you're going to click up here and just paste what you just copied and give it enter. This here is the whole path to find a folder. So right now we are in garments, but I'm going back to assets, which is this here. And to be able to pin the assets folder, I'm going back to Clo. And this is your assets folder. So you click with the right again, and my one is already pinned to the start, which is this here. So if I unpin it, it disappears from here. And if I click again and pin to start and pin to quick access, this is actually quick access. It shows up here. It's a lot easier that way. So every time you download something, you can come from the download straight to the assets folder, and just in here on, for example, if you download a fabric file, you can come here on materials, fabrics. You can create new folders if you want, or you can just, paste it here. This is the list of fabrics that you find here in Clo. Okay, and you can see the same folders that I have there on my assets folder here. These ones are the same ones in Clo. Yeah, so this is an easier way to organize things as well. If you're finding that your Clo here, your folders here are far too disorganized, you can't find anything, instead of trying to work it here, you can come here and organize everything the way you want, make new folders, put things inside folders, and yeah, and then delete things that you don't use anymore. It's just a lot easier that way to just be able to have more control over your files, and also, I don't know, have more autonomy of what you want the files to be named. And if you want to make new folders, if you're working for a specific company and you just want to make a folder for the fabrics that you're using for that company, you can come here and just in fabrics, new folder, and then just give the name of the client one, and just make a new folder and put the fabrics in here. So if I go here on fabrics now, the client one folder is here. Currently there's nothing in it, but it is there. And there is no need to be downloading anything up here because it's just automatic on your folder. So if I come here and delete this now and just go back to refresh, the folder is gone again without having to download anything. Usually when you have to refresh this and download assets, is mainly Clo uploading things and telling you to download those things. But the actual folders itself here, you can have autonomy over them. And also, you can always just make a separate folder. If you want to make a separate folder on, for example, an external drive, you can. And then you just go on this plus here, find that folder on the external drive, and add that to the list here, okay? But that will be a completely different folder. For example, this one with lessons. This one is a separate folder from the assets folder. But yeah, I just thought that was a good trick to teach you. I've been using it for years now. I just find it very easy to just be able to place the files that I want inside Clo without having to go through too much trouble. And I just advise you now to go and pin your asset folder to your quick access or your start, and yeah, get it done because it's very, very helpful. Okay,